Hello, and welcome to Top Flight Airways, the fictional airline that I created for my Human Resource Development class 315. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the website that I have created. The website houses many of the projects that we created during the class, the new hire orientation, the public announcement training, and more other elements of the class that we use to create this website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate that website. When you click to this tab here, the navigation, you'll access this tutorial that you have playing now. Then you can click on the new hire orientation once you're done there. And this is a presentation I created that is basically what you will see during the new hire orientation. Someone will present and it will go over the various points of the day in which you are expected to be learning during training. Once you're done here, you can head on over to the public announcement training. And this would be an interactive PowerPoint that navigates you through different modules of the public announcement training that I created. You can click each one and interact just as if you were visiting the PowerPoint itself. And all the buttons are interactive, you see here. Each button is a hyperlink to a different module. Then you can click all the way through. There's a quiz at the end that is also interactive. You see here. And once you're done with that, you can click on over to the CPR training and practice. This is an instructional PowerPoint that I created with narration to just go over the CPR process and how it is taught here at Top Flight Airways, I'm sorry. You want to click on the More tab and you will have access to the tutorial. Since I have not completed the tutorial yet, there is nothing here, but once that is complete, you will have the tutorial right here in this location here. And then you can just click back home and it'll take you right back to the home screen where you can access each of the tabs here. That's it. Thank you very much.